We do first the pavilion now, and after the If you want, I can try now. This needs to be fried like small amounts because otherwise it will stick. So this is the kopseru. It's irregular shaped fritters.
野菜と
はい。
卵とミンスしてあとはフライ
ああ、
これは全部の野菜
全部ね。
はいそうですダニエル
We do it prior and then we deep fry later. This is a long preparation, so it's stuffed with spices and chicken inside. We got also the vegetarian one, but at the moment it's out of stock. So this is the other item, but we sell it at the cafe. This is an item from the cafe. We don't sell it at the restaurant. You can try it at the cafe. I'll make sure you try one. Oh, you want to try one now? So
次はキューカンバーです。アラビアので
アラビアのデーツです。そして最後はチーズのファッタ。Make here is better.
Where's Danny?
Why?
Do you know which?
All this chicken, we don't have plate. 150. Jason?
Ah, そうな感じです。今のランプの1時間半ぐらいのからとスパイスの5ぐらいのスパイスのこれとこれとあとはアラビアのスパイスのこれは1時半ぐらいの次はオーブンは10分ぐらい。
10分ぐらい。
はい、そうです。How many people? Maybe this one is for it's 100 people maybe.
Huh?
This one maybe 100.
This is about 50 covers.
50人ぐらいと50人ぐらい多分。
I'm a hot guy. restaurant is open.
ランプの10分終わったの、そんな感じね、今 OK です。あとはこれは次10分ぐらいこれこれは25人ぐらい、20人ぐらい、はい。
Ahmed, come yourself.
Yeah, 5 weeks too long. 5 weeks too long.
Lamb, one chicken.
Oh, yeah, take.
5 weeks to kill yourself.
Okay, the lamb, one chicken. Take the rest of it, okay?
I will make for you everything.
Well, in full honesty, we try to preserve whatever is the Middle Eastern tradition for Japanese people to experience fully what the Kuwaiti cuisine is about. So we didn't apply any particular change to it, to be honest. We follow the recipes strictly, so there was not any adaptation to the Japanese cuisine. I mean, I usually work with events, catering events, big events. Let's say that this one was particularly challenging because of the flow of people. We've been quite successful and we became popular. So let's say that there was no quiet time. It was a challenge, but I'm very happy with the people we have in the kitchen. They're all good workers. So we could face this difficult time all together. And even if it was challenging, it was something we enjoyed together. I would be happy to stay here anyway, so it wouldn't be a problem. But I mean, I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm very, very happy about the way the Japanese like our food. Well, first of all, I want to thank all of them for appreciating what we do in the kitchen and what we serve. And come more often until the expo is done, and I hope to see them even after that, to give them the chance to try this food even after the expo. Maybe with an easier situation, as 6 months seems long, but usually actually are not very.